when the data is transferring from here to here, the data is transferring in a non-encrypted channel. Non-encrypted channel in the term of the STTP, non-encrypted channel. What does it mean? When I am entering the username and password, the username and password will travel in a plain text. So this is very risk for everyone, because hacker will capture the username and password and can use. So it is necessary to make the encryption when the data transit over the network. So there is a two security can be implemented. One is called SSL, secure socket layer, and another is TLS, transport layer security. The secure socket layer was the old version of the security SSL, and this is the latest version or the derivative of the SSL. So these type of the security or the encryption provided on the application protocol. On the OSI session layer, it is provided on the session layer and based on the socket. That is the reason it is called socket. And socket, all of you know, IP plus port number. It is called socket. And typically it is used for the TCP protocol, but sometime it is available for the UDP as well. It is called DTLs, Datagram Transport Layer Security. So similar, when the STTP is running, so it is STTP is non-secure channel. That is the reason HTTPS implemented. And HTTPS is running over the TCP port number 443, and they are installing the key pair. Key pair means there is a two type of the key. One is a public key, another is a private key. So the certificate and the digital certificate on the web server means when the first time you are requesting any website, it will install a digital certificate on your computer, and once it will install in your browser, the next time by using the digital certificate, data will be encrypted and sending to the server. Server will use their private key and then make this data decrypt, read it, and again when it will be sent, it will encrypt the data by using the private key. And when the data come on your browser will use the public key or the digital certificate to decrypt the data. And again at the time of the sending or before sending the data, the digital certificate or the browser will encrypt the data, then transit over the network. Okay, so who will provide this digital certificate? When you are click on the this icon, you will get the information about the digital certificate. Now the question is, who is provide this certificate? This certificate is provided by the CA. CA means certificate authority. Different certificate authorities are available in the worldwide. They are providing the certificate. This certificate is trusted by the both server and the client. Then they will start doing the communication. So clients are using the public key in a certificate to encrypt the data, and server use the private key to decrypt the data. Okay, so now the question is that how you can see the certificate. Okay, here is the simple, go any website and where you will see here this lock, padlock, just click over here and then you can connection is secure, just click on the connection is secure, then certificate is valid. So this is the certificate is valid and connection is secure. There is a digital certificate is exist. If you want to get the information, you can get information from here. Here you will get the information of the CA name and organizational unit, and this is the CA. GoDaddy itself have a certificate authority to generate the certificate. Okay, And if you go on another website where you will click here the secure and then click on the certificate, this is provided by the Skitigo RSA domain validate secure server CA. This is the name of the CA, different CA. And when you go on the Big Rock, and inside the Big Rock you will see there is some other certificate available here. So once you will go, this is also provided, means HostGator and Big Rock buy the certificate from the same domain name. So you can check out the multiple CA, their name and digital certificate.